Wow, so long time and it looks so funny. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack. Three color paper, orange, green and yellow. We need glue, scissor and googly eyes. You should take the yellow paper and cut one stripe. One is long stripe and one is big short stripe. You need a yellow paper, same, and then you should cut like half leaves for the wings. A green paper like this. Green paper with your finger, like the finger shape for the legs. Like a diamond shape for the beak. You should fold it too, like a triangle. That's it. We need a stripe and then you should just fold like a cylinder. Let's do it. Let's make the circle and then paste it. Okay, here's the circle. Let's make the other one. Here's the next. This is a bit taller. And here is it. Add the glue top on that. Now I should paste it. Like this. Put the glue like one drop and then you should paste it like a triangle shape. Like this, the triangle side. Now do you see it? That's the legs. Some glue. I already add the glue and I'm going to paste it. Oh, it's kind of backwards. Okay, now it's perfect. In the big hole, the wings. Under the big hole. Now here it is. You should put glue in the diamond. Half triangle you should put glue. Let's paste it. I don't know how to paste. Over here. Here it is, the beak. This is the beak, the googly eyes. The next one. Okay, now here it is, my little chick. My baby chicks, quack, 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 they're saying quack, quack. Okay, hope you all enjoyed this video.